civil authorities have issued a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted by request of the Bartlett Police Department. A dangerous event is unfolding at the Storyland Amusement Park. At approximately 4:39 p.m., several armed individuals made their way to the park's entrance carrying large duffel bags. Once there, the suspects tossed smoke canisters on the park entrance floor, which created a cloud of smoke. The suspects then proceeded to open their duffel bags unseen, and pulled out several automatic weapons, before they began to open fire on park employees. Eyewitness reports are coming in that these armed individuals are currently engaging in a shooting rampage throughout the park, with motives that are unknown, but believed to be of hostile intent. Due to the ongoing situation, Storyland will remain closed for the remainder of today, and residents in this area are advised not to interfere. Local authorities are working to deal with the crisis, and apprehend the suspects. More information will follow, as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted by request of the Bartlett Police Department. This is an update to the mass shooting at the Storyland Amusement Park. The armed gunmen have taken several park employees hostage inside a staff building. They are threatening to kill all the employees if their demands are not met. At this time, authorities are working to evacuate remaining guests from the park. Assisting authorities from the inside of the park, eliminating some of the armed suspects, is illegal vigilante, positively identified as Kevin Santos. Kevin Santos was originally a guest visiting the park, but took action once he encountered the suspects opening fire on park employees and guests. At this time, residents living near Storyland are advised not to enter or go near the park. The park remains closed for the rest of today. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for further information. An administrative message from the Bartlett Police Department. The attack on the Storyland Amusement Park has ended. Kevin Santos, who was inside the park at the time of the incident, has successfully shot and killed all of the remaining suspects, and have rescued the park employees that were taken hostage inside one of the staff buildings. Following this act of triumph, civil authorities took control of the situation. The leader of the gunmen has been identified as Paul Triton, a former park employee who had been fired for sexual harassment towards female employees. As a result of the violence, 18 civilians were killed, with another 32 injured. Civil authorities would like to thank the public for their cooperation in this deadly situation. Once again, the attack on Storyland Amusement Park has ended. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.